Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make the tag remover. Okay, and this one is so simple, and this is what you use. Majority of the ingredients are so simple. One of the major ingredients you need in this skin tag remover is baking soda. So you put a little bit of baking soda, okay, and then another thing you're going to be adding is actually red onion. Take a little bit of it and just use a little bit of the skin right here. Okay, so I have enough. I just need a little, so I don't need too much. Yeah, I have some of the juice right there, which is good enough. Okay, and then the last thing, not the last thing actually, I have two more ingredients that goes into this. Okay, so I have red onion, that's red onion, and then I also have red onion with my baking soda, mix it together. Then I have apple cider. You can use practically any type of apple cider, so you just need a tiny little bit of the apple cider. It's one of the major things that works wonder in removing skin tags. Okay, so now the last I'm going to be adding is black seed oil, kojic, kolanji oil, black seed oil. So you just need a tiny little bit of this into it. You don't even need to measure, just a drop of your black seed oil. Okay, so you now mix everything together. Oh, one more thing you can add, if you have it. If you don't have it, it's okay, and which will be this ingredient right here. You can put garlic if you want, but this garlic have been cleaned up already, so I'm just going to go ahead and grate it too. So you add your garlic to it. This performs wonders. It will remove that nasty thing called skin tag, if you can manage to use it. It's my you can use both. You can use the liquid form, or you can use the powder form of sandalwood. Sandalwood will give it a lighter color, so I'm just using a small powder of sandalwood. Okay, powder. So you now mix everything together. What we have here is powerful. So you mix everything together. You may have to add a little bit more of it doesn't smell, like the best smell on earth, but it's okay. You're just going to use it. Put it on overnight. Okay, now I mix everything together. It has a perfect consistency right there. This is super, and assuming this is my skin tag right here. So what you want to do is to put this on it, and if you want, you can put a bandage and just leave it on overnight. It will fall off. It will fall off. By the time you use it second time or fourth time or third time, it will fall off. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share this video with everyone. It may be useful for everybody. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit more of my baking soda to thicken it up a little bit more. Okay, great. So perfect. Okay, So this will help you remove unnecessary skin tag under your skin, you know, that you can't even name. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share this video with everybody. Thank you.